If you're getting the failed to retrieve data, sorry, please try again later, error in Hololive Dreams, then don't worry. Before making this video, I went through multiple Hololive community discussions and Reddit posts where many players reported running into the exact same problem. Some users said the error appeared immediately after launching the game, while others encountered it when trying to log in or load their account data. After reviewing those discussions, I found that this is usually a network-related issue rather than a problem with your game files. Many players were able to fix it by making a few simple changes to their internet connection. So in this video, I'll show you the solution that worked for the majority of users. Let's get started. The first thing you should know is that this error is commonly caused when your device is unable to establish a stable connection with the Hololive Dreams servers. Before changing any settings, check whether other players are also reporting the same issue. If multiple users are experiencing the error at the same time, it's possible that the game servers are temporarily unavailable, in which case you'll simply need to wait until the developers resolve the issue. If the servers appear to be working normally, the first solution you should try is switching to a different internet connection. If you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, disconnect from it and switch to your mobile data instead. If you're already using mobile data, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Many players reported that simply changing their network immediately resolved the failed to retrieve data error. Another important thing to check is whether you're using a VPN. If a VPN is enabled on your device, turn it off completely before launching the game again. Several users mentioned that once they disabled their VPN and restarted the game, they were able to log in without any problems. After switching your network or disabling your VPN, completely close the game from the recent apps screen, then launch it again and check whether the error has disappeared. If you're still getting the same message, restart your device and try connecting again. A fresh restart can reset your network connection and clear temporary issues that may be preventing the game from communicating with its servers. These were the solutions that were recommended most often across the Hololive community, discussions and Reddit posts. Since this is usually a server or network-related issue, changing your connection and disabling any VPN services have helped the majority of players fix the problem. If you're still experiencing the same error after trying these solutions, let me know in the comments which device you're using and whether you're connected through Wi-Fi or mobile data, and I'll do my best to help you out.